crib. How are you? Yeah, you take your shoes off here, because I don't play that. Neatly, woman, neatly. Damn it, I know it's a video. And we're secure. Welcome to my crib. How are you? Are you really recording? Oh gosh.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib, where it's always neat and it smells piney fresh. Did you record that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're actually going. I have a lot to edit. Okay. So this is our living area. This is where we eat. You know, if I ever want like some waffles, we'll eat here. We were supposed to eat tacos, but someone decided to go out on a lunch date with one of our friends. So
what did she do? Did she bring you back food?
But wasn't it like 2 hours later?
Did she eat?
Last time I ate was at 12 o'clock.
Was it good?
It was. Can't even complain. This is the kitchen area. My prized possession is my new wave air fryer. I really wanted this and I enjoy making meals on this. I've been making fries a lot and I don't feel guilty because I didn't use any oil. My other prized possession is my Ninja and it's touchscreen, and you're gonna watch this. Watch this. Alright, let's see. So we have this, and let's see. I haven't used this part before, but it's touchscreen, as you can see. So we're gonna put this back. We'll use that for another day. We have other appliances. You know, we have the nice little kitchen details here, where we put our, our stuff. And then we bought this. Oh God, did I break it?
No, that's not.
Oh, okay. So we bought this, and we haven't used it yet. But what is this? What'd you use it for?
To chop up some cauliflower.
Oh, you make cauliflower rice? It's a vegetable rice.
That's why we bought it.
Okay. When did you make it?
A long time ago.
Must have been a nice meal.
I mixed it in with some pasta. You wouldn't know. It didn't taste good. Well, it tasted good. It was dry. It was just dry.
Oh, okay. And we have a nice toaster, crock pot. Got our...
Nobody has bread in this house, but we have a toaster.
Facts. I did have waffles, but I kind of let it go. But we do have groceries. It's just not...
Show them the fridge.
Should I do it to them?
Do it to them, girl.
Groceries. We got vegetables. We got fruit. We got ground chicken. Oh, we need to start eating the fruit before that go bad.
What fruit?
We got like strawberries.
Only you eat strawberries.
And grapes.
I eat grapes. And a lot of wine.
A lot of not alcoholics though. You don't need to see that. Let's close that. Alright, let's conserve some energy. This is our living space.
She is not putting on for y'all, just know that.
I'm not. It's our living space.
You need the light.
Okay, well keep that one on. This is the vibe, you know?
It's a vibe.
Had a long day at work. Come here.
Show them what we do. What you do.
Oh, okay. Okay. And I just, I kick back. And I'm like, just relax. Might watch some Atlanta Housewives. Been watching Riverdale right now. Go ahead and like if you've been watching Riverdale. And then drop your favorite character. I don't really have one because they all have me stressed out because there's a lot going on.
I like Archie. He's fine.
If you're into that type of thing. And then we're going into our hallway. We don't need to turn that on. This is our laundry room. Do you show the laundry rooms?
Is it good looking?
Is it good looking? It's neat. Yeah, so this is our laundry room. All the cleaning supplies are here. And I have it nice. It's neat and organized. This is her stuff. This is my stuff.
Notice how she said, I have it nice and neat and organized.
Let's be truthful.
I come in here maybe once a month and it's a whole new arrangement.
All right, tell them business. Let's go on in let's go on to the bathroom. So the little vibe I have in here is this is what I have when I want to take a shower. That light isn't on, but it's like, that, but you can turn it on though. So we have like a, what would you say this is? What kind of vibe is this?
In the camera.
You live here.
This is more like a...
What kind of vibe is this?
Treehouse.
This is the treehouse bathroom vibe we have here. Joy, love, peace. Aren't you peaceful when you poop? Don't you love being clean? And both of those things together, doesn't it bring you joy? That's what this room is about. Relieving yourself, reviving, being refreshed. And this is my little side right here. Champagne toast. This is the best thing ever. Because at Bath & Body Works, my favorite one was Amber something, but they discontinued it. So I had to find another one, and it's champagne toast, and I love it. Smell it. You smell that? You smell it. I'm talking to you. Oh, okay. I shook the camera. I like it. All right, so this is my safe haven that I'm about to take you to. Oh my gosh, she made this. Come on this way.
It's her infamous picture.
Oh yeah, my videos. This is my safe haven. This is my vibe. Smells awesome in here. This is my room. It is hot as hell. What is the temperature on?
Just right. I'll be burning up when I sleep too, but I prefer it to be in freezing cold.
Oh, okay. Well, this is my room. Oh, wrong one.
That's kind of strong.
What is?
That candle.
And you bought it. You should have bought champagne toast.
I just picked some stuff up, girl.
Obviously, the thought. Any hoodle. This is my room. It's a nice little
Not
vibe.
any hoodle.
And this is my bed. I'm just joking.
Shut up.
I'm joking. But this is Lil Reese. Lil Reese came into my life senior year of high school. And I love Lil Reese. And I love Reese Cups. And this is Baby Doll. That's the name I gave her when I was like 2. And she's bald.
Who gave that to you?
My mom.
Really?
Yeah, because I didn't like dolls, because I hated Chucky. So I didn't like dolls that blinked. So if the doll blinked, I thought it was like demonic. So I don't like dolls like that. So this one didn't blink, and then this was my best friend.
But that's not scary.
No, she cute.
Why is she bald? Did she come bald?
Do I have hair right now?
Did she come bald?
Yeah, girl.
She came bald?
She came bald.
Your mom bought it?
She bought her bald. Like, how is that? Like, what's wrong with it?
I mean, I'm just saying, I see that doll all the time, and I feel like that's something you should explain to people.
She used to smell. Yeah, she used to smell. She used to be vanilla scented. It ain't there no more. Wanna smell it? But this is Baby Doll, and she's gonna forever be in my household. She just a little dirty, but she cool though. She cool. She blends right into the feng shui, into the vibe. So I got this pink and gray thing going on. It wasn't planned, but you know, it's here. And the candle that she's referring to is Endless Weekend. It's not a bad smell at all. Lauren, shameless plug. Bath and Body Works sponsored a kid. And I have this nice little tree because my last name is what? Ogletree. So I have to pay, you know, an ode to my last name, ode to the family. Thanks for my last name. It's pretty awesome. I do a lot of puns with it. And then I got this here at Ross. Someone made this for me before I went to college. Spelman. And then I got this clock from Ross as well.
Did you post that picture?
No. I didn't like it. I didn't like my face.
I liked it.
2 against 1. I am 2 people. And then this is my closet. It's organized for the most part, you know. And then right here I have my makeup because I just felt like these 2 things needed it needed some love. It needed something on here. And so there that was. So that's it. And then these are my pants. And then those are my t-shirts. And then I have shoes on both sides at the bottom. And then I have clothes. And there's that because it's a lot going on in there. But yeah, but this is my humble abode. This is my Like, no, turn it right on. This is where I relax. Do you feel the vibe? Feel it through the camera. This is the life. This is the life right here. Before I go and end this video, I don't appreciate the fact that I spend the majority of my day at work. And I only come here to only enjoy probably about 5 active hours of, of my living quarters. And we still have to pay full price bills. But that's something that's for another video. But I hope you enjoy my place. I hope that it has inspired you to go ahead and zhuzh up your place and make it comfy and homey. And this is where I reside. This is where I live. This is where I be. And I will see you all in the next video. Anything you want to say? Oh my gosh. Bye, y'all.
You gonna kick me out?
Oh, you want to leave? I mean, you do pay half the rent. It is only half, though. Maybe you want to go. I'm just joking.
I'm talking to the audience.
Oh! Yeah, it's time for you all to go. I gotta go to work in the morning, so I'll let the door hit you on the way out. Bye now.